On behalf of the Vincentian Formators, I would like to express my deep appreciation and gratitude, first of all, for the dedication, commitment, and generosity of this year's 2024 core group of Vincentian Formats Gathering, headed by Seminarian Arbel and Sister Ina and the rest of the team. Can we give them a round of applause?
Actually, even if I don't speak, the topic that is assigned to me, you already know. So, we will go and have snacks already. My topic today, I would like to summarize what's in your mind. Maybe some of the things that I will say, you already have in your mind. And maybe some of the things that is in your mind is not there in what I will say. My role is just to give a framework, a common framework to think about synodality.
I'd like to congratulate all of you for Monday and for Formators for this gathering starting yesterday that ends also today. But I would like to extend one challenge and one invitation actually to all of you for Monday especially. I hope that all of you will carry on. I hope that none of you will decide to leave the seminary or leave formation unless you are asked to. Pwede ba yun? So that there will be more and more of us servants of the poor. Otherwise, the legacy that Vincent and Luis left for us will also come to an end, to a pitiable end. So that is my challenge, my invitation, as well as my prayer for all of you for Monday, that you give yourself the best of what you can give for the Lord and for the poor. And you do that by persevering and carrying on the journey you have begun. The first response that you have given to the Lord, keep it coming each single moment of your life inside the seminary and even beyond it. So may God bless you all, and please all stand.
Your formation empowered us to serve the poor better, and most especially for allowing us to have an encounter with each other through this structure, particular structure of the Vincentian Formation Gathering. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our speakers, our sharers, for their enriching encounter and their wisdom and experiences. Their presentations and testimonies have deepened our understanding and love of St. Louis and St. Vincent's legacy. Our heart goes to Father Peter Salas, the head of the Vincentian family, for his inspiring and life-giving presence, and for his thoughtful reflection and uplifting homily on this feast of Christ the King, challenging us to always accompany in a non-dictatorial way. Thank you very much for the host community of this year's Vincentian Formation 4 months gathering, the DC Immaculate Heart of Mary College, for your warm hospitality, generosity, and according to them, the nutritious food. You have shown to us that your meaning of community. Our celebration comes to an end, but the mission still continues. Together, we will continue serving the poor and marginalized. We go, expand our tent towards one mission. God bless to all and see you next year.
Have you thought of becoming a Vincentian priest or brother? Join us. For those interested to join, you may send a message to Vincentian Vocation Congregation of the Mission and Daughters of Charity Facebook page, Vincent Connect Facebook page, vincentconnects@gmail.com. The Vocation Director mobile number 091777743569 or landline number 7700434441 and 700773552.